got a dodgy bum.
Yeah.
Welcome to Dartmoor. Out for a wild camp today with Tim.
Oh yeah.
Biking outdoors.
How's it going?
Just parked up at Belstone. Been here a few times now. Just recently. The idea is to head towards Steeperton Tor, collect some water and climb on up to Steeperton Tor and possibly camp up there, and then head towards Cosden tomorrow. Right, here we are at Steeperton Tor, and I think on my last video when I filmed here I was planning on heading up to Steeperton, which is all through that mist in that direction, but the weather was so bad that's where I walked down and camped. Just where those cows are. It's quite a nice little place to camp. River's right next to you. Yeah, it's been quite a nice walk so far. The weather's not too bad. It's not wet, but it's very misty. Steeperton was visible at one point, but the fog's come back in now and it's completely disappeared. So that'd be quite interesting to see what it's going to be like when we get at the top. I'm not doing too much filming today because I've actually got tendonitis in my wrist, and it's just a bit of a hassle getting the camera in and out, and it's quite painful, so sort of doing minimal amount of filming really. So we've just crossed this little river, that's where we just come from up there, quite a nice pathway, crossed over the river, and now we're heading on this way and we'll soon be climbing up to Steeperton. So quite a nice walk. You enjoying it, Tim?
It's awesome.
Cool.
It's been really good.
Ellie's having fun. Just found a sheep's head, a sheep's skull. Very nice. Oh guys, hopefully you can hear me. It's very windy up here. 6 moons all set up with the Serenity net. Ellie's in there, got all my gear in there. I'm going to shut the doors up in a minute and get on in. Yeah, this is the last time I'll be using this day shoot. So I've actually sold it. The chap who's buying it's having it next week. I've sold it to fund the Trail Star, which I ordered up 3 weeks ago. So next time I'm out, I'll probably be out in that. There's Timothy set up. He's got the posh duo mid. Second outing on Dartmoor, isn't it?
Yeah, first time using it. Once the forest and cowboys or not.
It's a good old size. Yeah, this is it. A foggy, windy Steeperton Tor. I don't think we're going to get anyone come up here tonight. So I'm going to get on in now, get some food on the go, and I'll catch you guys later on. Good morning guys, hope you can hear me. It's very windy up here on Steeperton Tor this morning. I've got the doors flapping about, they're just tied back at the moment. Just started packing up. You can see pretty much everything's packed up. Just got to take the Serenity net and the tarp down. That was incredibly windy last night. High Wilhays a few weeks ago with Dave Vaughan, that was windy, but that was nothing compared to what we had last night. It was extremely windy. I certainly put this 6 moons to the test, and I wouldn't have wanted to be out in anything stronger. Didn't have a very good night's sleep. Ellie's okay. There she is. She's just having a wander like she always does in the morning whilst I pack up. There's Tim's Jomid over there. Yeah, neither of us really slept last night, but I'm just packing up now. And I'm going to go and join Tim in the Jomid for breakfast because he's got a lot more room than me. So I'll just give you a little look around. It's very misty up here this morning. I know Steve and Mike are over in that direction somewhere on High Wilhays. They'll be in the same position as us this morning. Probably had no sleep as well. That's Dartmoor Wanderer and Cornish Knife Camping. So yeah, go and check their video out as well. Tim's out. I think he did a bit of filming last night in all that wind, so you can kind of get an idea of what it was like. I didn't bother doing any. Anyway, I'm going to continue packing up, and I'll come back to you guys later on when we've dropped off this tour, and hopefully it'll be a lot less windy. Welcome back, guys. That's where we've come from. Wild Tor and the ridge. We're just on Hound Tor at the moment. Heading in that direction over to Little Hound Tor and then a climb up to Cosden. Yeah, so I did this walk, the exact same walk with Dave Vaughan back in August. So I'll put that link to that video in the description if you haven't seen it. And you can sort of see the difference of Dartmoor from back in August to now. We're almost in end of October. I think it's almost November. Not been able to do much filming because it's just a hassle. Like I said, I've got tendonitis in my wrist, and at the moment I can just feel constantly hurts. If I do anything with it, it hurts even more, and I can feel the tendon rubbing on the bone, and it's horrible. So we're just about to climb up to Little Hound Tor and then up to Cosden, and here's the stone circles. I never filmed this when I was here last because there's a chap here camping and I didn't want to intrude on him. I'm not sure of the history behind these, but it's pretty cool. Here we are, guys, top of Cosden. Ellie! Stay away from my dinner. She's having to go on my lunch. It's got a mug shot on the go. Trusty old jet boil, had that boiled up in like half a minute, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Timothy's got his meths on the go. What have you got for lunch?
I've got Oriental chicken with rice.
Oh yeah.
And just gonna have a small coffee, little espresso.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Loving life.
Yeah, man.
Treat.
Sun's right in my eyes.
Yeah, so once we've had lunch, gonna drop down off Cosden into sort of a woodland area, and yeah, it's probably about another 3 miles or so before we're back to the car. But we're doing it in good time. Right, well, we're off the moor now, just walking through the woodland bit, which will take us back into Belstone, and Cornish Knives and Dartmoor Wanderer are at the pub. They're going to call in there and say hi.
There are things we know. There's a question ages old. Let me down easy, let me down slow. If all good things ever come and go, let me back down in a place I know.
Right, we're just coming to the end of the walk now. We've just come out the pub. Met Steve and Mike. Lovely couple of guys. There's Tim, he's absolutely knackered. But yeah, end the video now. Pretty much at the car almost. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.